Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about something we use every single day but rarely think about, mobile towers. Have you ever wondered, how does your phone make a call? How does mobile internet work? What role does a mobile tower play? In this video, we will explain how mobile towers work, their types, parts, signal process, advantages, health concerns, and the future of mobile towers. A mobile tower, also known as a cell tower, is a tall structure that supports antennas and electronic equipment. Its main job is to send signals, receive signals between mobile phones and the mobile network. Without mobile towers, mobile phones would not work. Mobile towers create wireless communication using radio waves. Mobile phones cannot communicate directly over long distances. So, mobile towers act as a bridge between phones, connect users to the mobile network, allow calls, messages, and internet access. Each tower covers a specific area called a cell. That's why mobile communication is also called a cellular network. Let's talk about the important parts of a mobile tower. 1. Antennas. Located at the top, send and receive radio signals, directional or omnidirectional. 2. Base transceiver station, BTS. Controls communication, converts radio signals into digital data. 3. Power supply. Electricity, backup batteries, diesel generators for power failure. 4. Transmission equipment. Optical fiber cables, microwave links. Now let's understand the working process step by step. Step 1. Signal from mobile phone. When you make a call or use the internet, your phone sends radio signals. Step 2. Nearest tower receives this signal. The nearest mobile tower catches this signal through its antennas. Step 3. Signal goes to the network. The tower sends the signal to the mobile operator's core network. Step 4. Processing. The network processes your request, finds the receiver, connects the call or data. Step 5. Signal returns. The signal travels back through the tower to the other person's phone. This entire process happens in milliseconds. There are different types of mobile towers. 1. Rooftop towers, installed on buildings, used in cities. 2. Ground-based towers, installed on land, tall structures, used in rural areas. 3. Camouflaged towers, look like trees or poles, used for beauty and safety. 2G towers, voice calls, SMS. 3G towers, internet, video calling. 4G LTE towers, fast internet, streaming, online gaming. 5G towers, ultra-fast speed, low latency, smart cities, IoT devices. Many people worry about radiation. Here are the facts. Mobile towers use non-ionizing radiation. Radiation levels are kept within safe limits. International organizations monitor safety standards. When installed properly, mobile towers are considered safe. Mobile towers help us in many ways: easy communication, internet access, online education, emergency services, business and banking, GPS and navigation. They play a major role in modern life. In the future, 5G and 6G towers will increase. Faster internet, smart homes, smart hospitals, driverless cars. Mobile towers will become even more important. Many people worry about radiation. Here are the facts. Mobile towers use non-ionizing radiation. Radiation levels are kept within safe limits. International organizations monitor safety standards. When installed properly, mobile towers are considered safe. There are different types of mobile towers. 1. Rooftop tower.